Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best concrete vibrators. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best concrete vibrators. Number 1. TEMCo Cordless Concrete Vibrating Tool. We have the TEMCo Cordless Concrete Vibrating Tool. This innovative tool is a game changer for those who want to save money without compromising on quality. Instead of investing in an expensive dedicated vibrator, this model connects to your existing corded or cordless drill. With a 3/8-inch shaft and a 5-foot length, it's perfect for both small and large jobs. Plus, it's backed by TEMCo's impressive 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. But here's the kicker, it's patented, meaning you're getting a unique and reliable design. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, the TEMCo vibrator is a solid choice. Number 2. LMYYGOO Electric Concrete Vibrator. Next, let's talk about the LMYYGOO Electric Concrete Vibrator. This beast is built for heavy-duty work. With a 2 HP, 1500W copper motor and a staggering 18,000 RPM, it's designed to remove air bubbles quickly and efficiently. The 4.5-meter, 14.75-foot, flexible shaft gives you incredible reach, making it ideal for large projects. What sets this vibrator apart is its industrial-grade construction. The roll cage is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability and stability. It also features a waterproof and dustproof switch cover, along with a temperature protection button for added safety. Whether you're working on a home project or a commercial site, the LMYYGOO vibrator is a powerhouse that won't let you down. Number 3. ROLAYSEE Handheld Concrete Vibrator. Now, let's check out the ROLAYSEE Handheld Concrete Vibrator. This model is all about convenience and efficiency. With a 1500W motor and a vibration frequency of 14,400 VPM, it's perfect for achieving a smooth, even finish. The 6.6-foot shaft provides ample reach, while the compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle. One standout feature is its IPX4 waterproof rating, which ensures safer operation in wet conditions. Plus, the lock-on button allows for continuous use without holding down the trigger. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly vibrator for smaller projects, the ROLAYSEE is a fantastic option. Number 4. Seeutek Concrete Vibrator. This model packs a punch with its 1600W motor and 15,000 VPM vibration frequency. The 6.6-foot shaft and 158-inch power cord give you plenty of room to work, making it ideal for industrial construction projects. What we love about the Seeutek is its attention to detail. The external brush holder makes maintenance a breeze, and the ergonomic reinforced handle ensures a comfortable, two-handed grip. It even comes with a pool trowel accessory for finishing touches. If you're tackling large-scale projects, the Seeutek vibrator is a reliable and efficient choice. Number 5. Handheld Power Concrete Vibrator. This model is all about simplicity and efficiency. With a 1500W motor and a vibration frequency of 15,000 RPM, it's perfect for removing air bubbles and ensuring strong, durable concrete. The lightweight and compact design make it easy to use for extended periods, and the handy lock-on button adds to its convenience. Whether you're working on construction, patching, or repair jobs, this vibrator is a versatile and dependable tool. Comparison and recommendations. Now that we've covered all 5 vibrators, let's compare them to help you decide which one is right for you. If you're on a budget and already own a drill, the TEMCo Cordless Vibrator is a cost-effective choice. For heavy-duty projects, the LMYYGOO Electric Vibrator stands out with its industrial-grade construction and powerful motor. If you need something compact and user-friendly, the ROLAYSEE Handheld Vibrator is a great pick. For large-scale industrial work, the Seeutek Concrete Vibrator offers excellent reach and durability, and if you want a straightforward, no-frills option, the Handheld Power Concrete Vibrator is a reliable choice. Ultimately, the best vibrator depends on your specific needs and project size. But no matter which one you choose, you're investing in a tool that will ensure stronger, more durable concrete. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.